2024?
Thank you, Trevor. My main concern would be the eco-levy, maidenly introduced in the Finance Bill 2024. And basically, when you look at how the same has been outlined, is to deal with the environmental impact, basically dealing with the hazardous and electronic waste. A good idea. But unfortunately, when you look at the goods to which this is going to be levied, smartphones, for example, diapers, pencil sharpener, and also the plastic packaging. These are products that are used by the ordinary mwananchi. And so affordability of these goods is going to be a concern. And as well, this kind of levy goes against the principles of taxation, of predictability, fairness and equity. That is a concern. But as an analyst, the main concern for me is the geopolitics around this kind of levy. Because when you look around the world, these kinds of levies are on issues to do with carbon emission. And countries such as India, for example, China, who are the big emitters, do not have even this kind of levy. So it's really unfair that it's being introduced in our bill this time round, not well thought out, that it's going to affect the ordinary Kenyan. So that's a main concern, and I think we need to look at this issue of climate change featuring into the Finance Bill 2024 and the ripple effect of the same, which includes even right to education going to be an issue for the Kenyan child, and also looking at the budget as well, having slashed itself. So basically, we are talking about a government that does not care about the ordinary mwananchi who voted them into power.